A warm welcome to my dear 3rd standard student. I am your maths teacher Sandhya from Bharati Dasnal Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 3rd standard maths 4th lesson. What is our 4th lesson name? Very good. Our 4th lesson name is subtraction. What does mean by subtraction? Subtraction means taking away some of the object from the collection and counting the remaining object of the collection. So this is called as subtraction. In last section you have learned alternative method type 1, that is type 1 and type 2, that is by breaking one number and by breaking both number. And today we are going to see third part. The third one is subtract by making one number a multiple of 10. Subtract by making one number a multiple of 10. So listen my children, here we have the question is 95 minus 46. 95 minus 46. So we are going to do subtract by making one number a multiple of 10. Okay, so compare this two number. Which one is the smallest number? Very good. Our smallest number is 46. So in this 46 you are going to making to the multiples of 10. Multiples of 10. So multiples of 10 means, so 46 nearest to 10 value, the answer is 50. Right. So now tell me Bhavana, what number should be used to add 46 to get the sum 50? Very good, the answer is 4. So here both 95 and 46 you should add 4, then you get the answer. Listen children. So now you take the question. The question is 95 minus 46. 95 minus 46. So listen my children. Here subtract by making one number multiple of 10. So take the smaller number. Here the smaller number is 46. So you are going to making the multiple of 10. So the 46 nearest to 10 value is 50. I asked Bhavana, so what number should be used to add 46 to get the sum 50? She said, ma'am, the answer is 4. Okay, so here both 95 and 46 you should add 4. Take a 95 plus 4 and then minus 46 plus 4. 95 minus 4 and 95 plus 4 minus 46 plus 4. Now we are going to add this. Take 95 plus 4 and then 46 plus 4. 95 then add 4. So I hope everyone knows how to add the number. First we should start from the ones place value. Here the ones place value is 5 and 4. So keep 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So write the answer 9. Here 9. The first answer is 99. Write 99 minus 46 plus 4. The answer is 50. So write here 50. Now finally take a 99 minus 50. Take a 99 minus 50. So while subtracting time, first we will take the ones place value. Here the ones place value is 9 and 0. So subtract 9 minus 0. What is the answer? Very good. The answer is 9. Next take a 9 finger and then fold 5 finger. So remaining what is the answer? The answer is 4. So the final answer is 49. Write the answer. First we will write the question. The question is 95 minus 46 equal to 49. 95 minus 46 equal to 49. Next we will see the another example. So next question is 246 minus 38. So what is the first procedure? The first step is we are going to take the smaller number. Here the smaller number is 38. So in this 38 we are going to making into the multiples of 10. So what is the answer? 38 nearest to 10? Very good. The answer is 40. So what number should be used to add 38 to get the sum 40? Very good. The answer is 2. So 38 nearest to 10. The answer is 40. Now we are going to add 2 in both 246 and then 38. Take 246 minus 38. Now you take a 246 and then add 2 plus 2 minus 38 plus 2. Now we are going to add this. What is the answer? 246 plus 2? 248. 248 minus 40. 38 plus 2, the answer is 40. Now we are going to subtract this. Take the first number. The first number is 248 and then a second number is 40. So the ones place value is 0 and the 10th place value is 4. Now we are going to subtract this. While subtracting time, first we will take the ones place value, 10th place value and the 100th place value. Now tell me Nasreen, what is the ones place value? Very good. Here the ones place value is 8 minus 0. The answer is 8. So write 8. Next put is 4 minus 4. So what is the answer? 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. The answer is 0. Then write 2. So our final answer is 208. Finally taken, write the answer. First the question. What is our first question? 246 minus 38. So the final answer is 208. So listen my children, whether this answer is right or wrong. Now we are going to check that one. So simply take and subtract the number. The first one is 246 minus the second number is 38. Here the ones place value is 8 and the 10th place value is 3. Now we are going to subtract this. So 6 minus 8 is possible? No, it is not possible. Why? Because 6 is the smallest number, 8 is the greatest number. Now we are going to get borrow from 4. Okay, so 6 it will change into 16. 4 it will change into 3. Now what is the answer? 16 minus 8. The answer is 8 and then 3 minus 3 is 0 and then 2. So our subtraction is correct. Here we get 208, there too we got 208. So finally we have another example, the based on multiple of 10. Listen here. The next question is 191 minus 74. Now tell me Nasreen, what is the first step? Very good. Our first step is the smaller number we are going to making into the multiples of 10. Here the smaller number is 74. Now we are going to making into multiple of 10 means what is the smaller in nearest to 10? 74 nearest to 10. Very good. 74 nearest to 10. The answer is 80. 74 nearest to 10. The answer is 80. So next we are going to see at what number should be used to add 74 to get the sum 80. Oh, very good. The answer is 6. Take 74 plus 6. The answer is 80. So listen my children. Here both you should add 6 and then 6. Take 191 minus 74. Okay, so both sides you should add plus 6 plus 6. Take 191 plus 6 and then minus 74 plus 6. Now we are going to add this. Take 191 and then 6. Add the ones place value. Here the ones place values are 1 and 6. So the answer is 7 and then 9 and then 1. So the final answer 197. Right here 197 minus 80. 197 minus 80. Now you take 197 minus 80. Here we are going to subtract this because the inside the symbol is subtraction. While subtracting time, first we will take the ones place value. The ones place values are 7 and 0. The tens place values are 9 and 8. So what is the answer? 7 minus 0. 7 minus 0. The answer is 7 and 9 minus 8. So show your 9 finger and fold 8 finger. Remaining we have only 1 finger. So the answer is 1. Next 1, then bring down 1. The final answer is 117. So my dear students, you can write the answer 117. Answer, the question is 191 minus 74. 191 minus 74 equal to 117. 117. So this is our answer. So today's our topic is subtract by multiple to the 10. Okay. So next we are going to see a very interesting puzzle. Listen here. So listen children, in this puzzle we have 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 3 plus 7 equal to 17, 4 plus 5 equal to 19, 5 plus 8 equal to 37, and finally we are going to find 6 plus 7 equal to 1. So in this sequence the second number should be multiplied by the natural number. For example, the first one we have 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So this is puzzle, listen here. First 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Okay, in this sequence the second number, in all the sequence the second number should be multiplied by the natural numbers. What is natural numbers? The numbers 1, 2, 3. Counting numbers are called the natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first natural number is 1. So take 2 plus 3 into 1 equal to 5. So listen children, 2 and then 3 ones are 3. So 2 plus 3, the final answer is 5. Likewise, we are going to multiply the second number by 2. The second number by 2 and then the third number by 3 and then the fourth number by 4 and finally the fifth number by 5. Now I am going to find this answer. This between answers and all you should find. So the question is 6 plus 7 equal to, what is the answer? Now I am going to take 6. So the first number is multiplied by 1, the second number is multiplied by 2, 3, 4. So in this number we are going to multiply by 5. Okay, so now take 6 plus, what is the answer? 7 5s are, 7 5s are, the answer is 35. Now we are going to add this. Take a 35 plus 6. So the answer is 11 to 1, carry 1 and 3 plus 1, the answer is 4. So write the answer 41. So listen children, finally we get the answer is 41. So 6 plus 7 equal to 41. Listen children, in this session you have learned alternative methods third type. So subtraction by breaking a number multiple of 10. So I hope everyone enjoyed this section. In this below description we have had a study material, question bank and then assessment book. So my dear students, do all the exercise related problems. If you have any doubt, just go through this. Thank you children, have a nice day.